This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable or disable incoming phone calls on the Signal app. I will be using the desktop app on a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to Signal here. I have the Signal app opened up now. To enable or disable incoming calls on Signal, first thing you want to do is open up Settings. As long as your left side pane is open, as you see mine is, there is a 3-bar hamburger menu up here to open and close the side pane. Make sure it's open. Then you want to go down to the very bottom, down to the little gear wheel. You want to click on the gear wheel. Then on the left side pane here, you want to go to the one that says Calls. Click on Calls. Then on the center pane, right up here under Calling, enable incoming calls. If this box is checked, then incoming calls are enabled. If you uncheck it, you're disabling incoming calls. That is how to enable or disable incoming calls on the Signal app. Thanks for watching.